Hooters?
Hooters, yeah.
Can we go? I want to see some hotties. The pork looks good too. It's 5 a.m. Early wake up. Not feeling too tired. Goodbye to our humorous Airbnb selection, and we are now on our way to the airport via an Uber driver. Look how busy it is. Miami Airport at 5:15 in the morning. Can't believe it. How's that water coming along, Nina? It's like spitting just over the top of the nozzle, so she has to angle it basically horizontally. Oh, look at that show. Thanks.
I mean, if I had more patience, I'll come back.
Big deal breaker right now at Dunkin' Donuts, my breakfast. I've never actually heard of this, but bagel places that don't toast bagels and put cream cheese on the side didn't sound at the least bit appetizing, so I just went with a coffee cake muffin. Nina's gonna try her hand out new water after her other failure. Moment of truth.
Ooh.
Oh, look at that pressure.
Patience prevails.
Not us. Finally in Puerto Rico, our lovely Airbnb. I think our hopes are a bit higher for this one after last night's debacle. Yeah. Yes, the whole place.
Do you remember what apartment we're in?
Please let us in. You tried 7 already?
There's a dog in that one. I don't assume that one's it.
Finally, we got access to our Airbnb.
AC.
Chilly.
I don't know if he's cleaned it yet. There's towels on the ground.
Yeah. And piss in the toilet. He hasn't cleaned it for sure. Why it's so dirty? Dirty towels, dirty toilet. And who doesn't flush, by the way? Finally got a hold of our Airbnb host. He's gracious enough to show us potential areas that might have SIM cards. Unfortunately, we did get a SIM and I'm unable to activate it, so we're still without phone. I've got a map offline. Hopefully that'll do the trick. We're just gonna go across this bridge here and hit up the beach. Get a base layer of our tan on.
If the sun stays.
The sun stays. We just waited out a little 5-minute rain shower. When in Puerto Rico, best to eat like a local.
Taco Bell.
Taco Bell. We had a bit of an incident, the fact that all sandwiches were like $10 for these crappy looking tiny sandwiches, so figured to give it a shot here. I had $2 for my tacos, Nina's came to like 6. Alright, we're all set with our Taco Bell, and look at how beautiful this is. We're finally at the beach, time to go for a swim. Necessary add-ons from Walgreens, some cerveza, cooler, and ice. It's getting too hot out there. We need to keep cool. Keep hydrated. Beach visit part 2. And we added some little friends. A new section of the beach. Cheers. Successful beach day. I've only got slight burnage on my feet because I forgot to reapply my suntan lotion. The infamous Caribbean 10-minute rainfall. However, we're a bit stuck right now. We're gonna wait it out. We need to simply cross this bridge and go to that bus stop over here. But the bridge is actually made of mesh, so we're gonna get soaked if we go that way. We're about to take a 75-cent, 1 hour and 11-minute bus ride to Old San Juan. Those characters, they say.
75 cents versus
$25 taxi ride, so we're gonna save some money there. was trying to tell me that I could only take coins, and I was having none of it because I was more concerned with what's happening on the phone. So we kind of like, screw it, just go forward. And then Nina was the only one who paid 75 cents. So you get this nice commute for only 75 cents. Rooftop bar and restaurant. Punto de vista. And I am gonna get some mofongo. Well, it's always a good sign when you got a Buddha.
How many stars
and
is
pennies.
it?
4.5.
How many stars are there on you? Is it closed?
Wrong side of the door. Oh, this place looks kind of cool. Mofongo. Oh, look at that. Nina got the chicken one. Verdict, Nina wasn't that impressed. She gave it
2 stars out of 5.
I gave it like 3. Just above average, but not great. We can say we had it. Too much carbs here so far. Now we're gonna wander the street and buy some souvenirs.
Toca la clave, suena el bombo, hazme un tumbao que el ritmo lo pongo yo. Vamos a tocar soneros, toquemos de corazón y en este bonito día vamos a hacer un rumbo y si del alma brota.
That looks good. Is it?
So dirty.
Thank you. So, churros in an effort to get bus fare, and yet we fell 50 cents short. So now we have to find water or something to get enough change to get on the bus.